Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get verified on Instagram. And I need to tell you two things. There is one way how you can get verified, and that is by reaching at least 10,000 subscribers. And then you can ask Instagram by sending them an email with all your personal details that it's your own account, and then they will give that to you. The other way that I will explain you right now is you can buy it. Alright, first make sure that you have an Instagram account that has around 1,000 followers and more than 10 posts on the Instagram itself. And after that you are available to ask them to get verified. How can you do that? That is easy by tapping on your profile. Tap right on the three lines in the top. And then scroll down where you will see Meta Verified. Tap on that. From here, you can see that you can build trust with Meta Verified, and we want that badge. So tap on Get Verified Badge. Now, if I tap on Sign Up, you will see this option just right here. Meta Verified is not for free. You will be billed $17 or euros per month on this profile, and then we will get a badge, increase account protection, enhance support, upgraded profile features, and unique stickers. If I tap on Pay Now, I need to pay just right now. I don't want to do that, so for now I don't get that verified, because for me it's not necessary, and I will get the normal verified badge as soon as possible. So if you want to do that, tap on that, buy that, fill in your details, send them your ID, and after that you are verified. Alright, this is how it works. If you have questions, please comment them below, because I'm here to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.